Okay, the last week I just felt like a spasm, like a neck pain. I was like pretty much like this. And after that, like the pain continues in my neck and pretty much like in my back, in my higher back.
So look down.
Yeah, that's so painful. Like, no. Ouch.
So yeah, there's not very many chiropractors in Colombia. My school had a program with Col Deportes. So sometimes they stay there and they live in Bogota afterwards.
And also, it's not really used to, like, when you have a back pain, you just go to the doctor and they give you like anti-inflammatory and all of that. But it never goes up your mind like, oh, I'm gonna go to a chiropractor. Never.
Yeah, no.
Even the physios in this country don't do a lot of manual therapy. It's more just exercises. So
Yeah,
that's
physical therapy and all of that.
Yeah, the physical therapists in the United States do a lot of this scraping and needling and a lot more hands-on. Here, ultrasound.
Yeah, it's more medical.
Eyes.
More medical, not so much as an alternative.
Yeah.
Painful. Really painful.
Yeah, right there. So when the muscle is having a spasm or where it's tight, what we're doing is pressing on it to make it release. So it kind of tricks the muscle into thinking it's shorter than it is, then your body will reset it by releasing it.
Oh my god.
There's the troublemaker. Okay, try to shrug that shoulder up.
Dios mío.
Levante su hombro.
Oh my god, I'm sweating.
So you're gonna bring it right here.
Ay, Dios mío.
So, relaja.
Ay, no, espérate. Ya.
Most relaxed you could possibly be.
Ay, no, I'm not.
She's fighting. I'm gonna have to lay her down probably. Super locked up on this left side. Maybe lay on your back.
Ya. Boca arriba. Aquí, boca arriba.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Go super.
Relaja. Oh my god.
Probably have to traction her because she's fighting so hard. Drop your right shoulder down.
What is that?
Move your. There.
I'm trying to be the most relaxing person. I'm trying to do my best.
Okay. Eso.
Like this?
Okay, you just played dead. Just be a noodle. Actually, put your hands by your sides.
Like this?
Yeah, just whatever will make you the most possible relaxed you can be. Think of yourself like a wet noodle. Just
Oh my god, I'm so tense.
like Weekend at Bernie's. That's not gonna hit.
La madre.
Sí.
People is... Oh my god.
Let's put your hands here. Move it right there. Okay. Go both hands like this. So a little lower and one on top of the other. So go up there. Look down. Yeah, pretty good. Let's take this hand. There.
Oh my god.
Like that.
Hijo de p***. Pero es que tiene mucha fuerza. ¿Qué está apretando ahí? Tu músculo.
Subscapularis.
Yeah, better.
When I adjusted the shoulder back, the whole shoulder came back, so the muscles here aren't used to it being all the way. Her shoulder's used to being here.
Oh my god. You want to look at me suffering.
Yes.
Ah,
That's your new friend.
para que sepas lo mismo que sentiste con tu cara y tu pelo.
That one was easier?
Yeah,
Okay.
for sure.
So you relax the
I
easier
think the
one?
only one that I'm afraid
Is your
my
neck. Yeah, we're not gonna force that one.
Oh my god. I can do that. That's great.
¿Cómo te sientes?
Amazing. Amazing, we're finished.
Amazing.